Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo 60 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. Well, let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to enter the history, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites, and of course if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. However, let's be honest, if in your case this list is really long, it is not really the most efficient way to remove everything manually. So let's tap on simply clear browsing data at the top, and here we've got some basic right here and advanced options. So we've got, among others, browsing history, cached images and files, or autofill from data. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. So as you can see, I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from all time to, for example, last 7 days, last hour. It's up to you. Just tap on the option you'd like to use. After that, simply tap on clear data, tap on clear. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.